Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple Christmas home decor DIYs using budget-friendly items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
Every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
For the first DIY, I had spray painted the cutting board and the wood truck with some white spray paint, and I let them dry for 10 to 15 minutes. I used a wire cutter to remove the screw that was on the table leg, and once the cutting board was done drying, I'm going to be putting them together with some E6000.
Kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So the wood truck wouldn't look too plain, I just sanded it down a little bit.
Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. God knows.
With some hot glue, I'm going to be adding a Christmas tree onto the wood truck.
You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate pie.
And now I'm just going to decorate the little stand.
Spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
For the second DIY, I started off by staining the 3 wood blocks and I let them dry for at least 20 minutes.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day.
Once I made sure that the wood stain was completely done drying, I'm going to be adding some letter stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna spell out the word joy.
Baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
For the letters not to peel off, I'm going to be adding some Mod Podge.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memory.
I had cut off a small amount of floral foam so I could be able to add some greenery.
Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
Now I'm just going to make a super simple bow and put it together with a zip tie.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
For the next step, I'm just gonna hot glue the bow on top, and I'm also going to be adding some of the red ribbon around the floral foam so the green part won't be showing.
Marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by spray painting the two bells, and once I made sure they were completely dry, I just added some twine through the two little holes they have on top so I could be able to put them together. Now I'm just gonna be hot gluing some Christmas greenery and some red berries.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
And just to give it a little pop, I'm gonna be adding a little jingle bell in the center between the two bells. I had also made a simple bow so I could be able to add it onto the bells. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great weekend and God bless each and every one of you guys.